Oh no, your ferret has bloody diarrhea, doesn't want to eat, and isn't moving around as much as he normally does. It sounds like he could be suffering from hemorrhagic enteritis, a condition that is caused by several different types of bacteria and affects the stomach and intestines in ferrets and dogs. In ferrets, overgrowth of bacteria such as Helicobacter mastidae, Clostridium perfringens, and Lawsonia intracellularus is often the culprit. The overgrowth is primarily triggered by stress, but can also be triggered by foods, allergies, and unclean living spaces. The main symptoms of hemorrhagic enteritis are bloody diarrhea, anorexia, lethargy, dehydration, vomiting, and swelling in the intestines. The condition, luckily, can be treated. It is most often treated through fluid therapy, dietary supplements, and medications such as amoxicillin, Pepto-Bismol, erythromycin, and metronidazole. The usual recommendation is 2 to 3 doses a day for 2 to 4 weeks. You may be wondering, what will happen once my ferret is being treated? What will most likely happen, if treated properly, is that the condition will resolve. It is possible for hemorrhagic enteritis to come back if you are not careful. You may even think it will go away if you leave it alone, but that is wrong. If hemorrhagic enteritis is not properly treated, your friend Mr. Ferret could die. Now you may also be asking, how do I prevent this in other ferrets? Well folks, I have that answer too. In order to prevent it, you must keep the ferret's home clean and hygienic. There must not be overcrowding of the area they live in, and you must keep them stress-free by never forgetting to feed them and by keeping a schedule. It is actually very difficult to keep Helicobacter mastidae out of your ferret colony, but as long as it is clean and your ferrets are not stressed, overgrowth of the bacteria should not occur. Luckily, I have not found hemorrhagic enteritis to affect humans, so you should be safe as long as you are a ferret or a dog. As long as you have paid attention to this commercial, you should be able to get your ferret properly treated by a vet and hopefully be able to recognize it in other ferrets you may find.